Unleash your creative vision by mastering the art of controlling time with your Nikon D5600's shutter speed. First, ensure your camera is in a mode that allows manual control of shutter speed, the most accessible for beginners. Aperture priority, or a mode, found on your mode dial. You can also use shutter priority S or manual M for full control. Once in aperture priority or manual mode, press the I button. This brings up the I menu, giving you quick access to common settings. Navigate using the directional pad on the back of your camera until the shutter speed setting is highlighted. You'll see a numerical value like 1/125th or 30. Now, use the main command dial, typically located below your shutter button. To adjust the shutter speed, turn it clockwise to increase the shutter speed, making it faster, and counterclockwise to decrease it, making it slower. Why is this important? A fast shutter speed, like 1/1000th of a second or faster, freezes motion, perfect for capturing sports or action. A slow shutter speed, say 1/30th of a second or longer, allows motion blur, creating artistic streaks of light or silky water effects. Remember, changing your shutter speed also impacts the overall exposure of your image. A faster shutter speed lets in less light, so you might need to adjust your aperture or ISO. Conversely, a slower shutter speed lets in more light, which might require you to compensate with a smaller aperture or lower ISO. Experiment with these settings. Try freezing a splash of water, blurring the movement of clouds, or creating smooth, flowing waterfalls. Understanding shutter speed is a key step to elevating your photography.